You are watching my Planet Earth series of talks. This segment is number 22. My subject today is formation of oil and natural gas, in other words, the petroleum products. There are three stages I'm going to explain in this segment. First stage, all of the oil and gas we use today began as microscopic plants and animals living in the ocean millions of years ago. As these microscopic plants and animals lived, they absorbed energy from the sun, which was stored as carbon molecules in their bodies. When they died, they sank to the bottom of the sea. Over millions of years, layer after layer of sediment and other plants and bacteria were formed. Number two, in this stage, as they began buried even deeper, heat and pressure began to rise. The amount of pressure and the degree of heat, along with the type of biomass, determined if the material became oil or natural gas. More heat produced lighter oil. Even higher heat or biomass made predominantly of plant material produced natural gas. Stage number three. After oil and natural gas were formed, they tended to migrate through tiny pores in the surrounding rock. Some oil and natural gas migrated all the way to the surface and escaped. Other oil and natural gas deposits migrated until they were caught under impermeable layers of rock or clay where they were trapped. These trapped deposits are where we find oil and natural gas today. Oil and natural gas reserves are found in many parts of the world. In the past, demand was low and reserves were easy to find. In fact, the first users of oil depended on surface seepage for their supplies. However, as demand has increased, all the easy to find oil has been used up. Today, oil exploration takes place in some of the most challenging places on Earth. We are now looking for new oil reserves thousands of feet under the ocean and in areas of climatic extreme. I got a video animation on the formation of oil and natural gas. I'll let you enjoy the video.
During the Mesozoic era, large parts of Europe were covered by water. The lack of oxygen and the presence of a plethora of microorganisms prevented decomposition of organic matter. Such material accumulated on the sea floor, where it was transformed into sapropel and bitumen. Further flooding and silting increased pressure and temperature in the deeper layers, turning these compounds into natural gas and petroleum. Sometimes gas and oil rise through porous rock to the surface. Usually they collect in what are called oil wells and can then be brought to the surface by drilling.